Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Purple Hero Fragments for and the Last Z survival shooter. In this tutorial, we'll explain how to use Purple Hero Fragments in Last Z survival shooter. These fragments are earned through limited time events, daily quests, shop purchases, or gacha pulls. Their main purpose is to upgrade your epic or purple tier heroes. You can only use them on heroes you already own, such as Miranda. To upgrade, go to the hero startup section. If you don't have enough of that hero specific fragments, the game will automatically use your general purple fragments to make up the difference. For example, if a hero needs 5 fragments and you only have one specific fragment, it will use 4 general purple fragments to complete the upgrade. Press Startup and your hero will gain an additional star. Keep in mind, specific purple fragments are limited to their respective hero, but general purple fragments are flexible and can fill in when needed. This system ensures you can steadily enhance your epic heroes and strengthen your team for later content. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.